Gospel artists Carlene Davis and Rondell Positive were guest performers this morning at the launch event for the RJR Gleaner Communications Group Cross Country Invasion. And in New Music Friday style, Minister Davis performed for the first time her newly released single, Cover Me. Cohen joined his wife to share on her first release for 2021.
It's the brand new song, our 2021 release, our first release for 2021. And it was out of how God did a work in Tommy, and he will tell you more about it.
Well, okay, yes, Cover Me. Because what it has done for me, I'd like to share it with others. So we decided to come together and record the song so other people, and we've had such amazing reaction. The people have reached out to us, called us to tell us from the hospital, other places, they're going through the same thing. And up to yesterday, I was talking to this lady and she says, you know, this is the song that is keeping me right now. Peace of God, Cover Me.
Rondell Positive also followed suit with a preview of his unreleased cover of the 1973 classic by late Dr. Miles Monroe, Brand New World.
And though we build planes and ships that go so very far, ooh, Lord, see, there's not a mountain that man has not climbed, oh Lord, but a brand new world he's never find.
The RJR Gleaner Group Cross Country Invasion will run for 4 weeks with broadcast-driven regional activities across radio, television and print. CEO of the group, Gary Allen, spoke to this year's staging.
You've got to have a brand new life, oh Lord, and if you want a brand new life, you've got to have a brand new spirit. And if you want a brand new spirit, you've got to come to Jesus Christ. Ooh. People been trying everything they could, wondering if they ever would, oh, yeah, find themselves a brand new world. Oh,
the event was postponed from February due to changes in the COVID-19 gathering restrictions and weekend lockdowns since the start of the year. And DJ Khaled, Buju and Capleton will have to settle for the #2 spot in trending, as the queen of dancehall Spice, along with Shaggy and Sean Paul, ends the week as the #1 trending on YouTube for Jamaica. Spice, Godong Day, with 2.8 million views, held strong at #1, trending ahead of powerhouse DJ Khaled, Where You Come From, featuring Buju Banton, Capleton, Bounty Killer and Barrington Levy, which surprisingly has over 4 million views, a million more than the Triple S collab. And this Saturday night, Fame Frequency presents Ladies' Night. And the anticipation is high as the females are asked to grab their BFFs and join in the VIP Zoom area and party on RETV, Fame 95 FM, and right here on TVJ to music from DJ Delhi from Radio Jamaica. And the party stations DJ Kevin and DJ Franco. See you on Saturday night. I'm Daedren for your Weekend Deep Prime.